Test day, everybody.
I'm here at the school kind of early today. It is 7:15. I didn't think it was going to be zero traffic. So, yeah, I got here super early. I don't even think the school's open yet. I have time to study a little bit more. Everybody, wish me luck. Easy test, easy day. I got a 90 though. I'm mad at myself, but I got a 90. Yes, sir. Got my certificate. Let's go home. I did it, so I got my certificate right here. Yes, sir. Now to send it all to the Coast Guard and, get my upgrade. So I just submitted my new credentials to the nearest National Maritime Center, and hopefully I get it within a couple weeks. You know what I'm saying? I want to get it before I go back to work in July, which I doubt. They're still saying it takes anywhere between 60 to 90 days, so either way I submitted it. Your boy about to upgrade, yeah.